You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
For today, you would rest. Okay? Lessons begin tomorrow. I will instruct my help to take you to where you'll be staying.
That's perfectly fine, sir.
Rita! Rita!
Yes, sir.
Please show her to her room. The room at the back.
Okay, sir.
All right.
I too like her,
So that means you're going to pay attention to her. Promise me.
Go carry first for the class.
First, in a class of one.
I need to carry first.
Oh, in a class of one. Okay.
How life can change. The day of my retirement, I thought it was the end. The end of the road. I didn't know it was merely a bend in another direction. Lord, I'm here now. Every success I've ever had has been because of you. Help me find a solution to Lota's problem. So, after the melting and the cooling, when the raw material congeals, it creates a stronger...
Stronger waiting. Abeg, what's it concern congeal with wetin they talk for this place?
I beg your pardon?
I no get pardon, no. Who want pardon? What's it be that one? You come in my house, come talk about congeal. My husband there, you talk about congeal. Oh, you. I look you. You be very wicked person. So if I leave you now, you go hold my husband now. Hold your congeal with her. If I leave you now, you go hold my husband now. Grab am where they run am for yamu.
Calm down.
I know they calm down. Now what is she talk?
That is not what she meant.
Now what is she mean?
No! Congeal means to coagulate, to become solid or
No
something.
be wetin dey talk. But then this girl, she know wetin dey talk. See her eye, she carry paint rub for eye. She know wetin dey talk. Oh, you wan hide am? I don't see you finish, oh. I don't see wetin you wan do.
You need to stop. I'm in a meeting. This is a very important meeting.
What concern congeal? Wetin dey talk for here?
Lady.
Why should you carry congeal come my house? You come in my house, you talking about congeal?
Look, lady and gentlemen, I'm really sorry. Okay, just
we are not sorry, oh.
give me a minute.
We are not sorry. I'm not sorry. You must you. So if I leave you now, you go home and
Lotta, can you stop this thing? Okay,
see, she won't do you now. She won't do you bad thing.
You know what? Right now, you need to go upstairs so I can finish my meeting. Yes.
I go in upstairs. I leaving you with this witch.
Just give me 5 minutes. Let me finish this meeting.
I know fit liar.
Just go upstairs.
I doing what upstairs? To go and doing what? Make I leave my husband for here for where this girl dey.
Lotta, I am having a serious business meeting here, okay?
I know fit liar. Really? I know fit liar. Make I reading you with this witch. Make I reading my weary rough with this witch.
You are disorganizing my meeting right now, and you need to go upstairs.
If you continue, they catch you. Don't even sit down for here.
Lotta, this is not what you're talking about.
Now what is they talking? Why you the supporter? Why you the supporter? If continue, they catch you. I say here. Come on, you have to put for inside. Put.
Please go upstairs.
No, they go anywhere.
You need to go upstairs.
Now you go do
go upstairs.
Make I leave you. Make she catch you. They doing bad thing with you.
You go upstairs.
Put them now. No.
I'm not
Go anywhere. Will you put the arm? Put the arm. I'm not go anywhere. Where you put them more? Can leave you make conji. Another girl they catch you. They do conji. Conji they catch me too. What you do now?
Very sorry about what happened here today. Okay. I never knew that this was going to happen. Trust me. I really did not know. Alright?
Well,
Please.
I must say that this was quite an eyesore. What if this was the real investors? What if they were the real clients and this happens? This will ruin the company.
I know, but I never knew that my wife was going to actually put any input or something. I'm very sorry. Okay.
Please ensure it doesn't happen again. Because if it were the real investors, this is a
Would have lost it. Would have just lost it.
Okay, no problem. What will happen is I think we'll just have to reschedule.
Of course,
We'll
this
schedule
didn't go
meetings.
well, so
Yeah,
definitely
at my office.
we can meet in your office.
Yes, yes, please. I'm sorry once again.
It's
So
fine.
sorry, okay?
It's
Thank
fine.
you very much. Thank you. Thank
Please,
you for
you
your
really
time.
need to work on your wife. No problem. You have to.
Thank you very much. I will. I will. Okay, I will. What is the problem? No, what is wrong with you? Eh? Did I ask for your input in this meeting? Do you want to take food from my mouth? What is your problem? Eh, Lothar? What is it? What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with me? What did they do me? No be she they say she continue to catch am. Why you dey shout for me? No be she you go shout for.
Why don't you just listen and learn? I told you congealed means to be solid or something.
Na lie, they lie. You no mean anything. Continue means say continue to catch am. If I leave you now, she go hold you for here. She go begin put her hand for you.
Shut up your mouth! We're talking about congealed.
No be any congeal. Na congeal they catch am. Na congeal they catch am. She won't call you
You
for
almost cost me my job. Shut up, Lothar Chukwu. You almost cost me my business here. Do you know how I make my money? And you're here talking. Who even asked for your presence in this meeting? Who asked for your presence in this meeting?
Before when I sit down there, I won't talk anything. I don't want talk anything. As she can't say conji, they catch am. Now I can't say my husband. Then why she go talk about conji where you sit down? That will not be disrespect.
What are you saying? What if my investors were here today? Do you think this is what you'll be saying? Eh? You would have made me lose millions. And you're here saying this rubbish.
Daddy, no be like that now. I know they like when they play, they come close to your team. So this thing, now only me get them.
You just need to listen and learn. They had nothing to do with this.
I sabi conji na. No be you teach me wetin be conji.
Is that why you open your leg in front of these people?
No be you say conji they catch you. Now I open my leg, man give you because now what you want?
Hey. Oh, okay, so this is your problem. Eh? Sex is your problem.
No be my problem.
Oh. Sex is your problem.
No.
I will give it to you hot. You see, your waist there, your waist will be on fire.
Chelu, daddy, Biko, Putwo. Remember, we do before we coming down the meeting. Daddy, waist they paying me.
No, wait, your waist is paying you. You see that upstairs, you won't.
No, we do for money now. We don't do now. But they pay me. Daddy, Putwo now.
My grandfather's clock was too tall for the shelf, so it stood 90 years on the floor. It was taller by half than the old man himself, though it weighed not a cobble weight more. It was bought on the morn of the day that he was born, and was always his treasure and pride. But it stopped, shut, never to go again when the old man... Hello? Anne? Why would you just pass me without offering a greeting?
Madam, I beg. I carry God beg you. You taught me years ago, and we are no longer in school. So please mind yourself. If you upset me, I will insult the living daylights out of you. You think say now all those things we do for school, those are miscapping. Don't allow me remember those are miscapping we did back then in school.
Good heavens! If I had known this girl would grow to be such an insolent piece of rubbish, I would have flogged the arrogance out of her in advance. Calm down, Joy, calm down. You are not a barbarian. You are a teacher of English. And even though you are retired, you are still a queen. Head up, shoulders high. My grandfather's clock. Oh my God, this insult was too much. This girl. was too tall for the shelf, though it stood 90 years on the floor.
Daddy, you still dey vex for me. I don promise you say I no go try am again now. Why you come still dey vex for me? Eh? Na because I love you, I no wan make dat girl dey talk all those things for where you dey. Wetin go come happen to me if she come correct you from me? Na why I dey fight to protect you na, make she no for carry you dey go.
Luther, tell me, what do you want to do? What do you want to become?
I don become your wife now. Get another thing I wan become.
What do you want to become? What's your goal?
I wan dey follow those people wey dey shook people for yansh. All those people wey go dey shook you for yansh, na dem I wan follow.
You mean a nurse? You want to be a nurse? Okay. I forgive you.
Thank you.
So far, you won't try that same thing you did next time. You almost cost me a lot, Luther.
Daddy, they rook me now, they call your name. Make we do again. You know, say you na okay. Okay, the sharp. The one we do, Otoka.
All my life, I labored to teach other people's children. With a pittance of a salary, barely enough for me to save much. Endless ingratitude from parents and students. See that Anne today, insulting me. When all I ever wanted was for her to learn. She didn't know anything till they brought her to me. I had to be strict so she could agree to learn. They saw me as wicked, when I was never brutal. I am just a disciplinarian as after their welfare. Ungrateful children, ungrateful parents, an ungrateful government. I invested my whole time teaching and training them, while my mates were busy finding husbands and having kids. I was so dedicated to my work, I hardly found time to travel or do anything. During weekends, I wrote lesson notes. And now, they've retired me. Nothing to fall back on. No job, no recognition, nothing. I wish I'd not given up my child. But I was just a young girl, broke, with nothing to take care of my child. And I wanted to go to school. With all the schooling, what do I have to show for it? Nothing. Teaching is the most unrewarded profession ever. If I had known that child was my last chance, I would have kept my baby. I thought I would still study, get married, raise a family. My life is over. What am I still living for? Life has already ended for me. Thank you, Father, for a new day. So this is it. My first Monday as a retired teacher. And already, boredom is overtaking my soul. What do I do now? Should I start offering lessons here? Oh no. The parents in this community never pay teachers. They just dump the children here, expect me to take care of them, even feed them. And then they'll take them away without even proper appreciation. No. Oh, maybe I could start a business. The last time I tried frying and selling chin-chin, I ended up giving away half, eating a quarter myself, and the rest was sold on credit. My capital vanished. So what do I do now? Nothing. If only I had money, I would start my own daycare or lesson center. Somewhere else
I love Lothar unconditionally. But that doesn't mean I must keep enduring the chaos. There has to be some kind of balance. I'll get a lesson teacher, at least for a start.
Goodness gracious. Is there a nightclub in the compound now? What is this? This is preposterous. preposterous. This is improper. Why would you just be blasting music so loud in the compound of which you are not the only resident? This is against the rules and regulations of those living in this compound.
You old, jealous woman. Mind yourself. Don't you dare interrupt my content again. What is it?
Jealous? Me? Why would I be jealous of you, you uneducated bumpkin?
Look at you. Educate. Is this where educated people live? I can with your bleach expired body. Look at you.
Bleached? What? Just look at you wriggling around here like an overfed snake. Huh? What's this nonsense? Your mates are at work and you're here wriggling and making a hell of a noise.
Listen, do you know how much money I'm making here? My fans are gifting me. You are wasting my money. This woman, are you stupid? Are you crazy? What is wrong with you? Don't you dare interrupt my content again. If not, I will show you crazy.
You get paid for this?
Ask Gogo.
Excuse me. You're getting paid for... Pay her? I don't understand this. How does that work? And that silly girl, she'll never explain it to me. Mr. Kola is internet savvy. He'll soon be back from work. I'll ask him. Payment? For dancing? Kola, good evening. May I have your attention, please? You're welcome.
Mr. Joy, good evening, ma. How are you, ma?
Fine. There's something I want to ask you.
Okay, ma.
I saw Joanne earlier on. She was dancing, recording herself, and she said she even gets paid for it. Is that true?
Mr. Joy, it's true. It's true. It's very real. It's called content creation.
Content creation?
Yes, ma. You see, Snapchat, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, etc. They pay you for every video that you make and post in their platform.
Oh.
Yes. And you see, you can make any video. You can make video while you are eating, sleeping, whatsoever that you are doing. Once you post in their platform, you'll be paid.
Wow.
Yes. And you know one thing? If God now favors you and people likes it, you get followers and views, Auntie Joy, you'll be earning millions. As time goes on, even billions.
What?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. I don't know anything about this. How do I go about it? What do I do?
Mr. Joy, don't worry. See, I'll teach you.
Oh.
It's very easy. I'll teach you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I don't mind paying you for it.
Teacher Joe, you're very funny. Which one is paying again now? See, you've been helping other people's destiny while teaching them. So what stops me from helping you? Someone should help you now.
So I can now call you my destiny helper.
Yes, ma, you can.
So what is needed to start?
Did you see what Joanne used? That's
okay.
exactly what we need. Bluetooth speaker, that one that looks like light that stands, you know?
Oh, the tripod stand?
Yes.
Okay.
And one other thing, you need a good quality phone with nice camera. Just like iPhone, Samsung.
Oh, interesting.
Yes, ma'am.
How much do you think there will be, the phone? How much?
I think it depends. It depends on the version. The thing, like 1 million.
Goodness gracious! Oh no, let me just stop you right there.
Okay,
No,
ma'am.
don't go far, please. I'll just use my phone, okay?
All right.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So.
Maybe we'll start tomorrow evening when I return from work.
Okay. Okay, I'll
Would
be
that be
good.
okay?
I'll be good and ready to go.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right.
Idiots.
Daddy, you don't come back.
Yes.
How your work today now?
Oh, work is fine.
Okay, make I keep this one for you.
I'm getting you a lesson teacher.
You see?
A lesson teacher. Someone that will come here and start teaching you.
From where to where now? What's it concern me with Chicha?
What do you mean? I asked you now. You said you wanted to be a nurse. How will you be a nurse if you don't get educated? I want someone to come and teach you here.
I know me now. Now the thing where you do me, they sweet me. I don't know what they talk that time.
Lothar, what are you saying?
I don't want to go to school now.
You don't want to what?
Nothing concern me with school.
Look, I'm getting you a lesson teacher. Okay?
I know they old
and that
now.
is fine now.
What thing old woman like me go do for school? The time I supposed to go to school don't pass now. What time they go do for school? What thing old woman like me they do for school now? Eh? I supposed to go to school when I there for village. I no go now. Yeah, I won't come go school. Ha! Nah, this man he just get money we want they waste. That money you go give me the money make I use and do what I want to do with my life now. Which one be school for this age? Ha! Daddy, Bia, this one no enter. Oh. Come. I don't want to go to school. Oh.
I'll buy the Bluetooth speaker. Then I'll just use my phone. Whatever the iPhone can do, my phone can do too. After all, God asked Moses, "What is in your hand?" He only had a rod. But with that rod, he parted the Red Sea. That rod swallowed Pharaoh's snake and performed many wonders. With this, my phone, I will cross many oceans. I'm confident. Tomorrow, I will pay rapt attention to Mr. Collar. And I know that I will succeed. I know I can do it.
Right, today we are doing a proper construction. Madam? Madam. Easy. Why are you sleeping? You didn't sleep last night? Please, please, you have to concentrate.
Sukuli Korosi.
Huh?
Close.
I don't understand. What do you mean close?
Sukuli Korosi. They go your ass.
Madam, we just started. We are doing proper construction. Stop what you're doing. You always distract classes.
You're talking too much. Boss?
Can you keep that remote? John is going to school. What are you doing, ma? Please respect yourself. This is lecture time. This is lesson class.
You're talking too much. You're talking to who they pay you money. Nah, okay, poor ba. Come on, see now.
Yes, honey, I am. You're joking. That's a lie. She's not pregnant.
Sukulu close. Go in your house. Sukulu close, teacher.
Madam, I don't like this is not hot.
Sukulu close.
I think I'm gonna do. Oh my God, I feel so dizzy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Joy. Joy, you can do this. You can do this. Anything you set your mind to do, you can do it.
Yeah, hello, Mr. Kunle. Don't worry, I'm with the files. I'll send it to you.
Mr. Collar.
Don't worry, I'll send it to
Mr.
you.
Collar. Oh, sorry, you're on the phone. Okay.
Okay, I'll call you back. Teacher Joy.
Yes, please. Could you look at my account? I'm yet to get the millions you said will come. I don't know. Maybe money has started dropping into the account, and I don't know how to access it. The millions and monies that are supposed to come in.
Teacher Joy. Your blood just dey hot. See, it's only 20 followers you get. How do you now expect millions to drop on a day? The day when you just post? Eh? I believe you be thief.
Why will you call me a thief? You with your multicolored beard. You're the one that looks like a thief. Give me my phone.
Mr. Joy. I don't like this kind of thing.
Well, really, my body aches. I'm tired. My bones are crying out for redemption. I've just been busting a move. My legs, I feel like they're about to fall off my body. Huh? Is this what these social media people go through?
Teacher Joy, just hold on.
But this girl has been making money on her page. Why am I not making money?
It's 'cause she's been consistent now. She don't start it. You just start yesterday and you expect million. See, you got to work hard. Even when you are tired, you must continue. Eh? I know say one day, you'll be there.
Which day? Just give me a date. Monday, Thursday, Children's Day. Give me a date.
Teacher Joy, I don't know. I don't. But wetin I know be say, anybody will work hard will enjoy one day. Except if the person village rich, carrying glory, go chop shawarma for dream.
Holy Ghost fire. That's not my portion.
Just hold on. You go make her. Eh? Then make I just continue my call, abeg. No verse. Eh? All right? Hello. Mr. Kunle. Don't worry, I'll get the files back to you. Just give me 30 minutes. I will.
Daddy, you telling me say you carry me go where them they chop fish. Say we go dance for crop. You not carry me go again.
Soon. I'll take you out soon, eh?
I know they liking the thing. They enter for my teeth.
Okay. Sorry.
You carry me, they go club, abi?
First now. We'll go out. But you will not wear this clothes or you will wear sexy clothes or not this kind of outfit or.
I know they like carry my body come outside. Listen, na only you they go they see my body. Now you pay money for my head.
I know, but I need to look good now. You can't just wear this kind of things. I buy all these sexy clothes for you, don't wear them.
Me my bless no dey for outside. My mama no go like am.
Touch you. So tell me, how's class today now?
Nothing come out oh. Nothing come out for the class. Na so sleep I dey sleep. That teacher, nothing wey sabi teacher him.
You say? Wait, get up. Get up first. Sit up.
Nothing happen.
Sit up. You said what?
You know sabi teaching na. You know sabi teaching. E dey make me sleep.
Sleep? But I paid good money for that man to teach you.
Your money no waste na. He teacher me, I no hear wetin teacher me. I sleep. The money no waste na.
You were. So what are you not saying?
Daddy, you know say to sleep they hard me. So as they talk, I dey sleep. The money no waste now. In voice they pursue me. In voice they make me they fear they catch me. Make you know they come for this house again. I not like am. In shoe they smell safe. Make you know they come here. You say you go carry me go club, Abby?
Wait, daughter.
Daddy.
In all of this now, what are you saying?
I say you not coming again now. Make you staying for your house, no they come here. What they come do for here? You making me sleep. I don't want you to say catch up. Make you not come again.
This is what has been going on since I started this work. For 2 weeks now, I lectured your wife it's either she distracts the lesson with watching television, or she doesn't show interest, or she raises one thing that will make the lesson not to move. Honestly, I feel she doesn't want to learn anything, from my own understanding. I'm so sorry to say that, but that's what I feel.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you for your time. I know it must have been a tough time for you. I'm so sorry about this. I know it's just been 2 weeks. 2 weeks, but I would pay your salary full.
Oh, thank you, sir.
You're welcome. I was already getting ready for work. Let me finish up and drop at the junction if that's fine.
No problem, sir. Thank you very much.
All right, just give me a minute.
Thank you.
Yes, Mr. Ken. Yes, please. I'll be very, very grateful, okay? Please do. Please do. I'll be expecting it. Alright, I'll be expecting to hear from you. Alright, thank you very much.
Wahala. Woo! Woo! See you. See who is doing TikTok now. If it's English, they will see you. Your mates that speak good English like you, they don't live in this kind of place. They live in Banana Island. You are here dragging space with me. See, now you are doing TikTok. Old cargo. Look at your life.
You this rat. You this uneducated rat. I can see that your mother failed to give you home training. I will buy your cane and give you the training that you need.
Try it. And you will see the stuff I'm made of. Try it.
Over-bloated buffoon.
I don't care. That's your problem.
You are being deceived by your... whatever it is you have all over yourself. Your wigs and lashes and things. Look, I'm not deceived by all that. You are still a baby to me. You are little. I have trained and educated people much older than you. So I will let you know that I've had years of doing this. You are not the toughest student that has come before me. I will show you that I'm a trained disciplinarian. I will give you the discipline that you deserve.
You bleached old cargo, looking like a bag of meat. What can you do to me? Nothing. You can't do nothing to me, and I don't care about you. All I know is that you can never make it. You think it's easy? You think it's easy about... Look, see the way you are looking, Seth. See, no, this is not good.
I look dignified and I'm proud of myself.
Jesus, don't even say that. You don't look any close to what you're saying. You don't look like it.
I look dignified. I am dressed like the Queen of England.
This old witch will not kill me. Queen of England in this kind of environment, in this kind.
All this uncomfortable clothing that you people wear. Caging your bodies uncomfortably, keeping it away from fresh air. And you think that is the way to dress? This is the proper dressing for a lady.
You're just a jealous witch and I don't have your time. All I know is that you can never make it in this life. You keep doing that. Mm. Woo!
Daddy, Anna, make me do now. You know they do anything now. Why you dey do like this? Nothing what you did. Not they do anything, do me now.
I'm not in the mood for this right now, okay? I'm not in the mood.
I did for the mood. I won't make you.
Look, I'm not in the mood. I'm getting you another lesson teacher.
No wahala. Get me another lesson teacher.
I'm serious.
I go lesson am now if you come. I'm my lesson teacher.
I need you to pay attention. I need you to pay attention.
No, I go do am now because of you. What else do you going to finish?
But I'm not joking.
I know they joke.
I'm getting you another lesson teacher. I know it's because
I don't agree now. Agree for me too now. If I do for you, do for me. I don't agree for you, agree for me. You agree for me, I agree for you. You agree for me,
I just need to be better.
You agree for me, Daddy. You agree for me, I agree for you.
Madam, today we are trying to understand your words. Can you hear me? Trying to understand your words.
Your words.
Madam, can you pay attention? Look up. Trying to understand.
Understanding.
Madam, trying to understand your
teacher.
Madam, please, can you pay attention? Look here. Trying.
Teacher, I go carry something. I coming back to class. Yeah? I coming back now. I come. I go carry tips.
Can we go back to class now?
No.
Trying to understand.
Understanding.
Trying to understand.
Teacher.
Can you stop eating? I gave you time to eat. Hello? Look here.
I'm hearing you. I'm not hearing you with my mouth.
Look up. Pay attention. Look here. Madam, stop this nonsense. I'm here to teach, not to eat. Are you there? Trying.
Who are you frogging?
Madam, pay attention.
You wanted to frogging me.
Madam, pay attention.
You come in my husband's house. You wanted to frogging me.
Madam, I'm here to teach you. Listen to me.
You want to guy?
Madam.
Go, leader. What am I? You want to frogging me in my husband's house? My husband, when they pay you money, then you won't call frogging wife.
I'm here to...
You want respect. Teacher. Oh yeah, open your hand, make I frog you. You won't frog me.
You're not going to do that to me.
You won't frog who they
I get certificate.
You won't frog who they pay you money.
Up your hand now. Yeah, put your hand for. Put your hand. Come on, go. Put your hand for. You come in my husband's house. You want to flogging me? He not giving you money. He not giving you money. He not pay you money. You want to flogging your wife. You want to respect the teacher. Ebu ewu. Say teacher ibi ewu. Say it.
Ibi ewu.
Abi ewu.
Abi ewu.
Abi ewu. Mama go me the play. Abi ewu. They come to the abi ewu. The teacher the ewu.
Teacher Joy. Teacher Joy. Teacher Joy. Teacher Joy.
Please, give me a minute.
Okay. I did hear the way for you.
Oh, Mr. Collar.
Teacher Joy, Teacher Joy. How far with the content creation now? How market?
Oh. Content creation is not for the faint-hearted. I think I surrender. I've given up.
Eh? You say waiting? No. Why you go give up? Which kind of thing be that one? See, nothing in this life comes easy. Consistency, now they make things happen. Which one be say you won't give up? For where? See, in this life, if the devil knows say you did do something, he go try to make you give up. Now we give up. Now you lose all. But if you stand gidigba, now you win. Which one be say you won't give up?
So the devil has been monitoring my TikTok account.
Yes, now. See, Sister Joy, I tell you something. The devil knows say this one single chance when you get, any single action when you just put in for this thing, it could make your life change. All this emptiness and regret life when you get, it go far from you. Oh, you no say anything where devil no resist. I mean, say the thing na useless work now.
Mr. Collar, the motivational speaker.
Nah, me now.
You've just spoken like the mouthpiece of the Lord. Okay, I'll keep at it. The devil cannot underrate.
Amen. That's the spirit. How far? So, what you don't do now? Be make you do something now.
Oh, I'm fagged out. I actually just an hour ago, I just finished. I did one video. That's what you see me wearing. I just decided to take a little rest. Maybe if I have the energy, I'll do something else.
I noticed too. Even the way they take talk, self. I know say you don't tire. I know say no is you. But you know one thing. Now you go laugh at last, eh?
Amen.
Okay. I'll give you like 1 hour or maybe, let me say 2 hours. Might just see somebody for junction there. They come.
Okay.
Yeah, I take hope, beg you. Don't give up now. You almost there. Don't give up, I beg.
I won't.
Remember, I say consistency. How they make things happen? Your life won't change with this, so.
Yes. Okay.
Don't give up.
Yes,
I
won't.
Might see somebody for junction.
Okay.
Eh?
Thank you.
Remember,
Okay.
don't give up.
Thank you.
How could you? You knelt your teacher down. Why? You raised the cane to flog her. Why now?
What is she telling you with that? She ran to you. She ran to you. She ran to you. I tell you, she ran to you. Hey, to say now for frogging and where? For frogging now, front and back, for frogging now.
What are you saying?
She ran to you now. She ran to you. What did she do just now? She ran to you. She don't tell you what did she want to do me for here? Now she want frogging me first, so she carry koboko. They want put for my eye. They put for my eye. They put for my eye. And I know the koboko. She for frogging me.
Look, she rating that thing is part of the business. It's just because she needs you to learn. Why would you kneel her down now?
I know the rain before. Before she come, I know the rain. Why she go on frogging me? Who they frogging adults? Adults like me, you don't sabi bad thing, you want frogging me. You come here, you come teaching me, hunger come they catch me, and they go in kitchen, go carry what I want use it. hold myself. Man for the know what she dey talk. She go they frogging me. Na small pikin I be. I know they pursue 40 years ago. Ha!
Come on now, that's not... You know what? Since you refuse to learn, since all these teachers, you refuse to learn from them.
My husband, I know refuse to learn anything. My own be say anybody where you carry come, you go know as you want take they follow me. Why she want frog me? Why she only carry koboko say she want frog me? Person wife like me, my husband he get money. You be rich man wife like me, you want frog me. You don't get respect for money.
Tuta, it's just because she needs you to learn.
Why poor man go want frog rich man wife?
Okay, fine. You know what? From tomorrow, I'll start teaching you myself. Yes, I will devote my time to teach you then, since you're refusing to learn from these teachers.
Eh? You want teaching me?
Yes!
Hey! You want teaching me? You will start teaching bad things, and you won't come teaching me. If you begin teaching me now, if you just bed now, I go just see your arm will just come out. I go they tell you, oh, they go for bedroom, oh, they go for bedroom. Don't teaching me, you. They carry them, they come. You know when you come, I go they manage them.
Look, Luther, I'm serious. I'm being serious here.
You not go fit teaching me now. What till they talk now? Ha! You go fit teaching me. Every time now, anybody go do me, they sweet me if they teaching me. I go tell you, make me go bedroom now, make me do bad things. Weary, my love. No teaching me.
Look, from tomorrow, I'll teach you myself. Yes.
You want teaching me? Weary? Just in a book, you want teaching me, I'll be on that thing.
I will teach you by myself. You need to learn.
You teaching me bad thing for bed. Weary, you want teaching me? You just say you want teaching me. Weary. I come out close, move. They do what you want teaching me now. Weary, boo boo.
Weary,
my husband.
You're just never serious.
Weary.
Oh, yo, 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 yo. Oh, yo, 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 yo. Love is sweet. Love is funny, love is a gift that every heart desires. Love is sweet, love is funny, love is a gift that every heart desires. It comes in different packages and in different colors, but what matters most is what the heart feels. It comes in different packages and in different colors.
I'm waiting for you. Daughter Chico, sit down. Sit down. Okay. Okay, and pay attention. Today we are learning consonant and vowel sounds. Okay. Consonant and vowel sounds. A. Luther, stop now. Stop this now.
I tell you, say body no go let me.
Just sit down. Just
No, go dey.
No. Just sit down. Pay attention. Okay. Just listen. Okay.
Husband, I no go fit.
Daughter, stop now. Daughter, stop now. I need you to pay attention now.
Body no dey let me.
You need to learn.
Body no dey let me. I tell you, say if you won't let me, I no go fit learn. Body go tell me, betelum.
Daughter, stop now.
No do I here. We fit dey here. No dey do I here. You know they go.
Just need to learn now.
Mo dey go
Learn a
bedroom.
little now.
Mo dey go bedroom now. We come. Mo dey go bedroom. We come back. Mo dey go bedroom.
Consonant sound.
Yeah, no, mo dey go bedroom. What did they do? You know what they do? They pretend. They put there. Yeah. My husband. My husband. Body dey sweet you. I know say dey sweet you.
What do you mean, Ken? Look, my wife needs to up her education, and that is what I am doing. Wait, I don't understand. What do you mean? Dyslexia?
Yes, dyslexia. Do not panic. With a good teacher and also patience, she will thrive and learn.
Your majesty juice, you got me in the mood. You're my baby, majesty juice, you got me in the mood. You're my baby boo, your majesty juice, you got me in the mood. You're my baby boo, your majesty juice, I'm in the mood.
You seem to be possessed or something. You know that I'm doing a video and you're trying to be a nuisance here. What's the matter with you? I know you're doing it on purpose. I'm talking to you. Oh my God. You don't start this witch. You don't start. I have students like you that I discipline. This one. I will. You know my Sabi? You know, I have students older than you. I don't care. I have students older than you. I will spank you. I will spank you. Look. I'm going to finish you today. Which people? Do you know how you I have trained people older than you. Uneducated little girl. You are so rude. I'm going to teach you a lesson. If your mother did not like you.
Auntie Joy. Auntie Joy. Did you fight with anybody?
I'm not even done with her. I'm sitting here waiting for her to come out and I'll show her she's just a little girl. I have trained people much older than her.
Oh, you did. Newsflash. You are trending. Did you see it? Old school beats Gen Z to stupor.
What in heaven's name? What? Fighting online? Who recorded this? Oh my God, I'm sure that witch had something to do with
Where
this.
you going? See, Teacher Joy, why now? Where you going to?
Oh my goodness, my
This
reputation.
is a great opportunity.
My reputation has been thrown down the toilet. All these years I've been breaking my back, teaching students. Nobody noticed. And now I'm fighting and it's trending online. I'm going to delete my account. I'm going off social media. This is the end.
Teacher, go home. Where are you going now? No, now. Don't do this. After all our efforts, stop it. See, you know what we're going to do? What we'll do now is we'll make a video. We'll use your emotion. We'll make a video that will trend, stating that you are not in support of fight. You give them your own narrative about this story. Why are you doing this now?
Do you think that will work?
Yes, it will work. It will work. When we make a video, you clear the air. Then you don't support fight. You know now, Auntie Joy, please, don't spoil this opportunity. Don't spoil this. You know me. I've given all my time for this job. Don't spoil it.
Are you sure that's the good idea?
Auntie Joy, don't start this now. Actually, it's me that is telling you. See, we'll do a video to back up this that is happening, this fight now. And you now narrate how your own story is. People will hear your own side. From there, we start trending. Is that not what you want? This is the time that we will turn disgrace to destiny. Lemon into lemonade. Let's make this video. You will trend. You see a lot of followers following you. See, tomorrow, we are going to make enough video. Video that will push this one up.
Aren't you going to work tomorrow?
Joy, don't worry about me. I know what I will tell them. Maybe it is me. I know what I'll tell them at the office. But this video is very important. You need to trend. This is the opportunity we'll be looking for. And we cannot waste it. Alright? Heck. So, you get prepared though. Tomorrow is the D-Day. Just make sure you are prepared. All the fizzy. Nice one. You are doing a very good work. You are trending. Man. An opportunity. Good. Jesus.
This is complicating. I love Lotachukwu. I cannot take another wife. Dyslexia.
Hello everyone. My name is Joy Chukwu, but most people call me Teacher Joy.
Teacher Joy, wait now. Why did you do like this now? See, you go adjust your body, you go do and well. Some people will see you go feel they follow you now.
Okay.
Sometimes when you go talk, you go put small smile. You understand? Some people go feel they see and follow you well. Then we could start again.
Hello everyone. My name is Joy Chukwu. Most people know me as Teacher Joy. All my working life I've been a teacher. I love to teach. It's what gives me joy when I see the smiles on the faces of little ones when they understand what I say. As a matter of fact, I offered free classes to students who couldn't afford an education because I believe every child deserves to be educated. But because I put in a lot of my savings towards educating those who couldn't afford it, at last I didn't have much money to fall back on myself. And A lot of the students I taught later called me wicked. What I got in return was ingratitude. They called me wicked because I was strict and wanted the best for them. The way forward for this country is having an educated future. But, well, by the time I was retired, I realized I didn't have anything and I was devastated. So I discovered social media. I saw one of my neighbors, on TikTok, and I thought, okay, perhaps I could forge a new beginning. And so we find ourselves here. I'd like to talk about what I love most, teaching. Let's start.
Teacher Joy! Teacher Joy! Teacher Joy!
Mr. Kola?
It don't happen, no.
What's the problem?
It don't happen. See, you're not only just trending. People you taught far back, they are speaking good things about you. You see? You see? Former students, they've just raised GoFundMe for you. 500,000 naira already. Hey!
My goodness.
Jesus.
What's this?
See now.
Look at this comment.
Yes.
This one says, "We love you, Ma. Best teacher ever. You really helped me back then."
Yes.
So not all of them are ungrateful.
Auntie Joy, stop now. See, just keep doing good. Eh? See, let me tell you, not be everybody could be ungrateful. Someone will still appreciate you, and that's what they are doing. Now, just look at this. Eh? Just look at this. They all remembers you. That's what I'm telling you. There's nothing like good work. Your good work is speaking, and that is what we are seeing now. Eh? See now, just see. Just see. This is what I'm telling you.
This gladdens my heart.
Yes, this is like good work. Your good work will speak for you. And now is your harvest time. Yes. You're not supposed to cry, Auntie Joyce. Stop bad. So they cry, they make me feel
I'm fine.
500,000 naira. I'm sure you're going to dance because you don't become big woman, no. Eh? Yeah, you don't become big woman. You don't see. See now. See. From fighting to cash out. Auntie Joy. Yeah. Food the house.
Oh yes, I cooked something. Let me go and get it.
Okay, might sit down here wait for you.
Okay.
500,000. See teacher Joy.
As a matter of fact, I offered free classes to students who couldn't afford an education because I believe every child deserves to be educated. But because I put in a lot of my savings towards educating those who couldn't afford it, at last I didn't have much money to fall back on myself.
Ever handled dyslexic. Best teacher ever handled dyslexic children. Even autistic children improved. What? Could it be that this woman could really help my wife? Okay, please, how could I connect to you? Please kindly reply. me ASAP.
Teacher Joy. Teacher Joy. Teacher Joy. Teacher Joy. Where have you been?
Oh, I just went to buy something.
Did you see any message?
Message? Where?
Why are you not checking your phone?
What happened?
You have message, important message, you not check your phone. Had it been I'm not an admin to your page, how will I see this important message?
What message?
See, somebody wants you to come and teach the wife on how to read. He will pay any amount.
Are you serious?
Yes. If you look at the address, he stays at Bolaji Estate in the island.
On the island?
Yes.
Oh, this is exciting. This is my specialty.
It is very, very exciting.
This is what I love to do.
I know. See, I have to investigate whether this person is real. Because it's not anybody that comes to your page is real. You know? And if the guy is real, then you will ask him to bring his driver to come and pick you. Or he will wire Uber money. That's the thing now, because now, you don't become celebrity.
Celebrity? Oh, come off it.
Teacher Joy, see.
Celebrity.
It's not anyhow person that will enter your page. It's anyhow person that will enter your page. You're a big fish. You're a celebrity now.
Anyway, I'm going to tell them that I am coming with you because you are now my manager.
It's a privilege.
Oh, please, Mr. Kola.
It's a privilege. Thank you.
I should thank you.
I will not fall your hand.
Okay.
See, me, I'll personally... Now, me go interview them. Make I know whether they dare you.
Okay.
Then I'll get back to you.
Okay.
Is that one okay?
Okay.
I'll not go for your hand.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you
so
very
much.
much.
Thank you.
That's interesting.
Yes.
Oh.
That's what we've been praying for. Is it not?
I'm excited about it.
In fact, you need to go inside, go dey dance. Make I go inside, make I go bath, you know? Because I was feeling hot when I saw the message. So I can't tell you.
Okay.
Teacher Joy. Now, wow.
This is lovely.
Yes, it is. Remember what I told you. Be courageous. This is the result of TikTok, Facebook. This is what you achieved.
Okay. Welcome. Who are they fine?
Good day, sir.
Yes, good day, sir.
I am Teacher Joy, and this is my manager, Mr.
Yes.
Kola. I am here to be interviewed for the position of private teacher.
With the way they speak, actually, Madam was sabi book. She go sabi speak, but just know say the first one don't come go. Second one come go. Madam be like bulldog go. But anyhow, let's give it a try. Come inside. Boy, if you don't go inside, when I'm your meeting.
Okay.
Madam be like bulldog.
Okay. All right, that's okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
But calm down. I need your house. Calm down.
Sorry.
Okay.
Private teacher. Welcome to Bulldog House.
Thank you, kind sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Relax now. You don't need teach since before internet come. Just package yourself. Courage they pay.
Good.
Good day, sir.
Good day, Madam Joy.
Good day, sir.
Welcome, please.
Thank
Please
you.
sit.
Thank you.
Please sit. Welcome, Madam Joy.
Thank you, sir.
This is my wife, Luther.
It's a pleasure, ma'am. This is my manager, Mr. Kola.
Mr. Kola, welcome.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah. Thank you once again, Madam Joy, for coming around. I've seen your works. I've seen about your biography, your teaching jobs and all. And I must commend you. Madam Joy, I hope you direct. I'll pay you the sum of 400,000 every month to teach my wife every day. As for your feeding and accommodation, it's to be taken care of. I mean, we have a space for you in this house. Madam Joy, this is very important to me. I need my wife to learn how to read and write. Please, I need you. And if this is done, I will reward you with something even bigger.
Okay, sir. That sounds acceptable, sir. But could you give me a minute to converse with my manager outside?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you, sir.
Accept this too. Accept this accommodation. No nepa wahala. Free food. Better environment. Where you could take do your video. People go begin to rate you high.
Yes. I think I'll stay here.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Kola.
You're welcome.
As soon as I'm paid, I will send you 100,000 naira.
Teacher Joy, don't want too much now.
Oh no, come
too
off
much.
it. Come off it, Kola. Without you, I would have lost hope already. I'm not an ingrate. And when more blessings come, I will still thank you again. Let's go back inside.
Thank you. Thank you.
Joanne, good evening. I see you're busy with your TikTok. I forgive you for your cantankerous behavior the other day. You know, today has been a very good day, and I'm feeling very magnanimous. Perhaps the goodness will spread to you.
Voila. We know how these things work, oh. It's fake life. Fake life.
Yes. Driver. But I asked you to be here early. Timeliness is imperative. Please, I don't want to be late for my appointment, okay? Hurry up, please. Good morning, Mr. Collar.
Teacher Joy, are you set?
Yes. I'm off now.
Hey, wow. Yeah? Don't worry. God will be with you.
Amen.
We'll see more jobs.
Amen.
See, don't hesitate to call me if you have any issues over there.
No. I'm sure I'll be fine.
I'm going to miss you.
I'll miss
Teacher
you too,
Joy.
Mr. Collar.
Child. Just make sure you reach out to me if there's any difficulties.
I
will. Oh, Uberman is here already.
Yes.
Right. Okay. Bye-bye.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
For today, you would rest. Okay? Lessons begin tomorrow. I will instruct my help to take you to where you'll be staying.
That's perfectly fine, sir.
Rita! Rita!
Yes, sir.
Please show her to her room. The room at the back.
Okay, sir.
All right.
I do like Gary.
So that means you're going to pay attention to her. Promise me.
Go carry first for the class.
First? In a class of one.
I need to carry first.
Oh, in a class of one. Okay.
How life can change. The day of my retirement, I thought it was the end. The end of the road. I didn't know it was merely a bend in another direction. Lord, I'm here now. Every success I've ever had has been because of you. Help me find a solution to Lota's problem.
I go miss you if you go without your work when you work.
No worry. Okay.
Really, my rough.
Good morning, sir.
Oh, good morning, Teacher Joy.
Good morning, Madam Lota.
Look, I want you to pay attention. Make me proud.
What else, Sabu? I go make you proud, yeah?
Come here.
Really, my rough.
I love you.
So me, I love you too.
Okay. All right, I'm off to work.
All right, sir. Have a fruitful day.
Pay attention.
I go do am, yeah, my rough. Ayana. Bye-bye. Oh.
Let us start. Today, we'll be starting with basic sounds. A for apple. This is an A sound. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for door. E for egg. Can you repeat everything I said? A for... What's the problem?
I know they get myself. Everything wey they talk, they enter for my head. If they make one sound for inside, they do wee one, wee one, wee one. I don't know wetin they talk. I they pay me self for wetin you write for the board.
Give me 1 minute. Now, we are going to have some fun. This represents the letter A, and the sound is ah. Now, what we're going to do is, I'm going to keep this leaf up here, and we're going to say ah till it gets to the ground. Okay? 1, 2, ready, go. Ah. Good! Clap for yourself. That was great. Now, this represents the letter B. The sound is B. So, it's up here. And before it gets to the ground, I want us to go B. Awesome. 1, 2, ready, go. B. Good. You're doing so well. Now, this represents the letter C.
Now wetin she dey do be that. She go dey carry all this leaf, they carry plate, they carry things come put for me. So I go dey sabi. I don't eat. I don't eat. So I take the sabi wetin she dey talk.
So she's teaching you well?
She teacher me well.
She's teaching you well.
She's teaching
you at home.
She teaching me well.
Oh, I can see her improving in ways.
She telling me say sounds of the alphabet. She say A. She say B. She can say C. She can say D.
Well done.
She can tell me that one go there. She say as in apple.
High five. Well done.
Chicha Joy na him talk am.
So she's really doing a good job. She's really doing a good job. Well done. I'm proud of.
Thank you.
Don't worry.
What you go buy for me?
Anything you want now, I will definitely get you anything you want. It's just that when I buy you things safe, use them is a problem. I get you good clothes, you'll be wearing all these kind of clothes.
I don't want to make you buy anything for me. I dey like you. Why they laugh? Let's say you know what I want to.
No. Don't even go there. Don't even go there. You're going to sap all my strength.
Now why they give you this thing? It may forget strength.
And let me eat this one. I have strength now. Come here.
B, ba, be, bo, boo. 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 Viva the bo, boo. Viva the bo, boo. Viva the bo, boo. Viva the bo, boo. Now, let's go to D.
Okay.
D.
Da. De. Do.
Let's go. D. Da. De. Do. Do. D. Da. De. Do. Do. D. Da. De. Do. Do. D. Da. De. Let's go to B. B. Ba. De. Bo. Boo.
Wow! Wow! You're doing so. Are you for real?
Yes.
Thank you, Teacher
Madam
Joy.
Joy.
Thank you so much. In the space of 1 week, my wife knows her sounds.
You will add that money.
That's not necessary. All glory to God, sir. He deserves all the credit.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well done, dear.
I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you.
I'm happy, say you're happy.
Teacher Joy, I believe this is all for today. Eh?
Yes, we're done for the day.
Can I take my wife inside?
Of course.
Okay.
You won't go inside. To be like party. I am not the good now. So I no go tell you no. Hold the
Love is fun. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love is sweet. Love is funny. Love is a gift that every heart desires.
Yes.
What did they do?
I'm just dancing.
What is this thing?
It's a tripod. It's just for holding up the phone.
I feel like wait till Aboki they use white cow for bush.
Oh my goodness. You are hilarious.
My name no be Hillary. My name na Luther.
Oh no. Hilarious means funny. It means you are funny.
I see you they dance.
Yes.
I feel dance with you.
Of course. You'd like to join my video?
Yes, I want that.
Okay. Just stand over here. Let me turn it on again. Okay, let's go.
And the way you wind up in on me gets me in the mood to make a pull my thing on you. My she too fresh, oh. She too clean, oh. She too settled.
How did you start Isabi?
My she too fresh, oh.
Well.
She too clean, oh. She too settled.
Wow, that's interesting. Okay.
You're my juicy juice. You got me.
Your waist don't look good.
I don't think my waist is as fluid as yours.
You're my juicy juice. You got me in the mood.
Oh my goodness. Oh no, you're going off view. Oh my goodness, don't hurt yourself.
I ask you again, why did you join Mana Joy in that video? Disgracing me? Really? Is that what you're supposed to be doing? Instead of learning, you're making all sorts of rubbish videos. Eh?
Why they shout for?
Why would I shout at you? No, tell me, why would I shout at you? Eh? Is that what you're supposed to be doing? Are you not supposed to be learning? You're dancing, raising your legs up and down.
Why they hide me? Shame they catch you for where I did. You don't want me to know say I be your wife.
Look, let me warn you for the very last time. You would never make any other video again. Did you hear me? Do you understand what I'm saying? You would never make any other video. You think I'm joking with you? Eh? No, you really think I'm joking with you? Listen, let me tell you something. Don't you ever make any other video, let alone see you raising your legs and dancing and rolling on the ground. See, you will not like the other side of me. I bet you will not like the other side of me. Can you imagine? People are even tagging me saying my wife is an illiterate. A businessman like me. Somebody's wife. What nonsense?
And because they shame for me. Shame they catch you for why? They know me, they don't say na me you marry. Wicked man, you dey shame for your wife. You dey shame for your wife. Why you go marry the wife?
Oh, you're still there. You're still on the ground there, eh? My friend, will you stand up from there? Stand up from there.
Yeah, come put.
Good day, sir. Pardon me if I speak out of turn. Your wife informed me that you were upset by her appearing in my video. I'd like to apologize if I inadvertently caused you some discomfort. But may I speak freely, sir? How long are you going to hide her? Do you remember one of our past presidents had a wife who wasn't fluent in English language, but he made her first lady and handed a lot of projects to her. She made a lot of grammatical blunders. Once she said, "My fellow widows," even though her husband was still alive. Another time she said, "On behalf of 2 million, I'd like to donate my family." Yet another time she said, "I'd rather kill myself than commit suicide." People mocked her. They laughed. But her husband was never ashamed of her. And today, that same woman has a doctorate degree because she had a man who never made her feel less of herself. People will always have their opinions, but true freedom lies in living beyond their judgment. Greatness does not lie in speaking English alone. A lot of the wealthiest people are illiterates, but they employ the brightest graduates and pay them. Destiny does not lie in grammatical eloquence. It lies in purpose. Your wife made a lot of fans in just one day. Some may laugh, but they liked her. She found great joy in making those videos. She can have her own page and discover her purpose. Don't cage her light because of your ego. Allow her to shine. Please excuse me.
Love is sweet, love is funny, love is a gift that every heart desires. Love is sweet, love is funny, love is a gift that every heart desires. It comes in different packages and in different colors, but what matters most is what the heart feels. It comes in different packages and in different colors, but what matters most is what the heart feels.
My love, I'm sorry. I'm sorry about how I spoke to you earlier. You know, with my kind of presence in this society, me being a businessman and you being on the internet, not fully educated. What will people say? For example, my business associate that called me saying they saw you in the video where you. What would they say? Anyways, that's by the way. I love you. I love you so much. Okay? And I just want to see you better. I spoke with Madam Joy and she made me see reasons to which I could understand.
I knew it. I know, see, now Madam Joy don't tell you me come follow me talk. So if Madam Joy not tell you me come talk to me, no come talk to me. Abi? Don't worry yourself.
Babe, I'm sorry, okay? You can go ahead and do your...
That every heart desires. It comes in different packages and in different colors. But what matters most is what the heart feels. It comes in different packages and in different colors. But what matters most is what the heart feels. An ordinary girl with an ordinary heart, living in a sophisticated world, in love with a sophisticated man. She's local and simple, can be difficult at times, but I love this ordinary girl from an ordinary.
Babe, I'm not going to bed.
With an ordinary heart, living in a sophisticated world, in love with a sophisticated man. She's local and simple, can be difficult at times, but I love this ordinary girl from an ordinary world. Love is sweet, love is funny, love is a gift that every heart desires. Love is sweet, love is funny, love is a gift that every heart desires. It comes in different packages and in different colors. But what matters most is what the heart feels. It comes in different packages and in different colors. But what matters most is what the heart feels. An ordinary girl with an ordinary heart, living in a sophisticated world, in love with a sophisticated man. She's local and simple, can be difficult at times, but I love this ordinary girl from an ordinary world. Ordinary girl with an ordinary heart, living in a sophisticated world, in love with a sophisticated man. She's local and
Mama,
simple,
they record
can be
myself for camera.
difficult at
Gaff.
times. But I love this ordinary girl
Yeah.
from an ordinary world.
Teacher Joy, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Teacher Joy, I spoke to my wife about what we discussed yesterday, and it didn't go well. My wife is angry at me. If she's sad, I'm sad. I mean, they're saying happy wife, happy life. Teacher Joy, please. Look, as it stands, she's free to do her internet thing. I'm not ashamed of my wife. I just need her to do better. I need you to help me. Okay? Even if she's coming out on the internet, let her learn one or two things from you, Teacher Joy. Please help me up her English game. Please, I beg you. Okay?
I will, sir. But it's not just about teaching her letters. You have to love her loudly, in her unrefined state. If you don't love her publicly, now that she's not refined, how will she believe you when you tell her that you love her unconditionally?
You're right, Teacher Joy. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
I'm off to work.
Okay. Have a productive day at work today, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
It comes in different packages and in different colors. But what matters most is what the heart feels. It comes in different packages and in different colors. But what matters most is what the heart feels. An ordinary girl with an ordinary heart, living in a sophisticated world, in love with a sophisticated man. She's local and
Mama Chicha. Him dey shame for me. You know they like carry me go for porridge.
Cheer up, my dear. Sometimes, people who love us may act ashamed or demand a lot from us. It doesn't mean that they don't care. It simply shows the limit of their knowledge. And with time, they'll learn. Cheer up, dear. Come, let's start. You've been doing so well. We're going to be doing some writing today. So, today we're going... Why are you doing that?
Sorry, no first.
Okay, I might as well have some. So, let's spell some simple words. The other day you called out the letters of the word cat. Now I'd like you to write it. So pronounce it first, then write it. Cat.
Cat.
So what's the spelling? You got it before. C A
C.
Cats.
See? I get
Awesome. Give me a high five.
I take it up.
Okay.
You say
C A T. Cats. Awesome. Now. Awesome. You got it.
I go tell her make him buy cats.
Oh.
So that if I dey see the cats, I go dey know which I dey spare.
Beautiful. Now, we're going to spell bat. Can you spell bat?
Bat.
Bat. Spell it, then write it. Bat.
B
A T.
I don't get them. I thought
B
A T. Lovely.
It comes in different packages and in different colors. But what matters most is what the heart feels. An ordinary girl with an ordinary heart, living in a sophisticated world, in love with a sophisticated man. She's local and simple, can be difficult at times, but I love this ordinary girl from an ordinary world, ordinary girl with an ordinary heart, living in a sophisticated
How are you? Hi, I see you.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you. How's it going?
Oh, it's going awesome. Splendid.
I see. I see you guys are doing your stuff.
It's been fun.
How are you, my love?
I do fine. How your work today?
Work is fine. So I got you both iPhones for content creation.
Oh my goodness.
You better have iPhone. iPhone. You better have iPhone. Sister Joy, you buy your iPhone. Thank you. I
you so
I could
much,
record
sir.
myself, they post them for online. I don't get iPhone. Hey! Yeah. See you.
Yes,
Hey! Honey, thank you.
and I will be your #1 fan. Okay? I'll be watching your videos.
They watch them. You don't buy phone for me.
Mhm.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Hey. Thank you.
So tell me, what is your goal?
I don't tell you before, so I don't get any goal. I know they play for football now.
What do you want to do from now on?
Now what I want to be this now? This iPhone will you buy for me. I go dey record myself with Madam Joy. Go dey put for
Online.
online. Go dey put for online. People go dey see us. They go dey happy.
Or you want to entertain people.
Yes.
Whatever you need to do it, I would support you.
Not blast you get choice. I'll be your wife now.
This woman, she's so proud. Anyways, Teacher Joy,
Yes, sir.
please, since you're teaching her this, you can as well teach her some things on content creation. I mean, I don't mind doubling your pay.
Oh no, sir. The person who taught me did not take a dime from me. So I plan to pass on that kindness.
Thank you for this kind gesture.
You're welcome,
Thank you
sir.
very much. And please, feel free to join us at the dining. No more eating alone. And also, please move into the main building.
I'm speechless, sir. I'll be honored.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I'll see you inside. Let me just freshen up.
And they come here.
Make those videos.
I go make the video.
I'll keep watching your videos, okay?
Come on to your clothes and they come here. When we do bad thing. Shame they catch you now because Madam Joy they here, abi?
My husband, if they like bad thing.
Oh my goodness.
They
Oh, please. Oh my goodness.
They like rub me.
Please, can we just focus on the class? Yes.
They record myself.
No. Let's finish with this class.
No, the class don't finish.
No,
let me record now.
Oh my.
Keep this one. Come. That's what they teach me. They like this. Okay, they do
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Of course. We are available to sign the contract. You can just bring it in. Sure. Okay.
Daddy.
Yes.
Daddy, you buy iPhone for me. Daddy, you buy iPhone for me.
Of course. Yeah.
Babe,
Come on, babe. I'm on a call now. I'm on a call.
He go calling you back. He go calling you that my husband. He won't do bad thing with me now.
Babe, come on now.
I'm on a... But he scratch me now. That's what you buy for me.
I'm on a business call.
You don't marry. Go marry your... Woo! Go marry your...
Babe, you're going to disgrace me this woman.
Daddy, you buy me iPhone.
Babe, now.
I'm gonna make you video. Make it they go in house. You never marry.
You're going to be in trouble this woman. Thank you.
But I love this ordinary girl from an ordinary world, ordinary girl with an ordinary heart. Living in a sophisticated world.
Amit?
In love with a sophisticated
Mr. Williams, I keep feeling like I've met you somewhere before. You look so familiar. Was your father ever in the Ministry of Education or a teacher?
No, not at all.
Do you have siblings, sir?
No, I'm the only child of my parents. Right.
Okay. Oh, I guess maybe you have a doppelganger somewhere.
Yeah, maybe. You know, strangers look alike every day. One So who's gonna eat all this rice? Right. Me? Okay, alright, yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut this for myself. You're enjoying the food, yeah?
The mama. So you get the dance where I was say I make a dance. Make you check them out if the dance you go where I be, you not go where. If you not go where, make you telling me yo.
Okay.
If you still go where, make you telling me. Might know what I go they put for Facebook. You know, I don't like cut plenty. I never post. The one we know like I no go post. The one we like I go post.
Okay.
So I say make I show you this one, but I no go they shake my bum bum. Make you come be saying now what you not like.
Okay,
you
sure.
Like cut, eh? So the song go they play. I go do like this. I get shake. I get shake. I get not shake. Shake my bum. Shake. Look I post the way my bum go they shake. You like that one?
Just post whatever makes you happy.
That one good. They're good. Look I don't call your papa. See go they put for where people go they see you.
No, I'm the owner of the property. Yes.
You surely say your eye don't they do you. That one don't do. See the second one, eh? Elia. This one enter me.
Enter.
Telling me if you know sweet, telling me I go change.
No, it's sweet pattern. Now. I mean, it's not you, my love. It's you now.
You sure say it's sweet?
You know, I always watch you.
It's sweet.
You know, you dance and still give me your private dance.
Hey, daddy. I see this one. This one's sweet, Abby.
No, this is good. This is good.
I could get plenty people where they like them.
I watch it.
You don't see my video?
Yes, no, I watch your video. I told you I was watching your videos now.
Hey.
Mm-hmm.
I must see the one we don't see for you.
Okay, I know. Come, I'll show
The
you.
one we don't see.
Get them now. Yeah. I watch it later. Yes, sir.
You see this one?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, my mom would shake for there. Oh, no, verse. I know. I don't know when Madam Joy helped me post this one.
Hello, Mr. Kola. Guess what? The money my ex-students raised on the GoFundMe has come up to 2 million. Yes. And I want to give you 500,000 to start your business. Oh no. I should be thanking you. You were the one that held my hand when I almost gave up. Even when I didn't believe in myself, you believed in me. You are the real hero.
Wow.
He was arrested. That is the end of my story.
Come. Wow. I'm so proud. I'm proud of you.
I'm proud of me too.
You're learning so fast.
Teacher Joy, she taught me.
Teacher Joy. Thank you so much. Thank you.
All glory to God.
Babe, well done. Well done.
Thank you.
Teacher Joy, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank God.
Thank you.
One more thing.
Okay.
The dancing video, Teacher Joy and I do.
Oh, okay.
For Facebook. It's coming out money. It's bringing money.
Wait. It's monetized?
Yes, it's monetized now.
Wait, you mean she's being paid? My wife is being paid. You're paid in dollars.
$1 million.
It's not $1 million.
Look at you. It seems very soon I'll start wearing my clothes to join people in that video. Well done.
Why you look at me in the eye like you want to do it?
That's because I love you. Madam Joy, thank you so much. Thank you so much for this transformation. This means a whole lot to me. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I can still remember what I said the first day you came here. I said if she does well, she learns how to read and write, I will do something. And here I am today, saying that anything you envisage to do in life, I will do my possible best to make sure it comes to pass. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
This means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I mean, look at my wife, though. Look at her speaking English. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
English is now my friend.
English is not your friend. Well done. I'm proud of you, my love. I'm proud. And yes, my mother is coming over the weekend. I need to celebrate this. I need to have a party for this. And your presence will be appreciated. I need her to see the woman that's transformed her daughter-in-law. I need you to be present.
I will be here.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Baby. Well done.
But what matters most is what the heart feels. An ordinary girl with an ordinary heart, living in a sophisticated world, in love with a sophisticated man. She's local and simple, can be difficult at times. But I love this ordinary girl from an ordinary world, ordinary girl with an ordinary heart, living in a sophisticated world, in love with a sophisticated man. She's local and simple, can be difficult at times. But I love this ordinary girl from an ordinary world.
Years ago, I had ovarian cancer. To save my life, the doctors had to remove my womb. I could never have children. One of the evenings when I went for my regular checkups, I met Joy in the same hospital I was using. She was with a child. She was only 16. She was scared, had no money. And from the story she told me, the father of the child rejected her, and her parents were late. She wanted to give the child to the orphanage. But I collected the child from her. That baby is you. To her was the only way you could survive. Forgive me. I did it for you. okay? Look, you gave me the greatest gift of my life. Joy, you made me a mother. It's okay. Thank you. Thank you for raising my child into a man. Thank you. It's okay. It's okay, Joy. It's okay. Son, please. You have to forgive her. Look, it wasn't her fault. She was a teenager and there was nothing she could do. You could have done the same thing if you had found yourself in that situation. Please, try and forgive her. And forgive me as well, because I'm also at fault. No matter what, she is your mother. You have her blood running through your veins. So please, forgive her.
I forgive your mother. I could only imagine what you would have gone through at that young age. You must have been through so much pain. I forgive you. And Mom, thank you for raising a man like me. Thank you very much. The good thing is, I'm alive. Bygones are bygones, Mom. I forgive you.
Since today is the day that everyone is saying what they have to say, me too, I get what I want to talk. I don't get belly.
Please come.
Wait.
Come here, baby girl. Come. Oh my God. Oh my
Baby, are you joking?
All the bad things we did, you didn't see where they go.
If you're pregnant!
Two.
Twins!
Two! Joy! Baby cat one and baby cat one. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my daughter. Twins. Yes.
No, do again. No.
Congratulations, son.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I don't want the dog baby making come.
Come on. Come on.
Love is sweet, love is funny, love is a gift that every heart desires. Love is sweet, love is funny, love is a gift that every heart desires. It comes in different packages and in different colors, but what matters most is what the heart feels. It comes in different packages and in different colors, but what matters most is what the heart feels. An ordinary girl with an ordinary heart, living in a sophisticated world, in love with a sophisticated man. She's local and simple, can be difficult at times, but I love this ordinary girl from an ordinary world. Ordinary girl with an ordinary heart, living in a sophisticated world, in love with a sophisticated man. She's local and simple, can be difficult at times, but I love this ordinary girl from an